cream cheese cookies. Have you ever had them? They're soft and pillowy. They're almost like a sugar cookie meets a snowball cookie. So they're softer than snowballs, but they kind of almost hold their shape, and they have a little bit of that tang from cream cheese. They're super delicious and easy to make.
Start by whisking 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Once that's all whisked together, add 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Mix that together until it's nice and smooth, and then mix in 1 cup of granulated sugar, and add a teaspoon of vanilla and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract along with a large egg. And then you'll mix in those dry ingredients. I like adding the almond extract here. It's not necessarily typical, but I find that it adds a little bit of extra flavor. Otherwise, it's kind of one note. You could also use coconut or lemon extract. Scoop these by tablespoons onto a cookie sheet and then bake them, no chilling needed.
You could totally add chocolate chips or nuts to these. You don't have to leave them plain. I love to dust them with some powdered sugar once they're done baking, just for a little decoration because they're kind of plain otherwise. You could dip them in chocolate, add sprinkles. There's so many ways you could dress up this. This is just a basic cream cheese cookie recipe. They're soft and they're delicious. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more cookie recipes.